Welcome to English Talk Online. This channel is here to help you speak English more naturally and confidently. In today's video, we practice shadowing. You listen and speak at the same time, following the speaker closely. This trains your ears, your pronunciation, and your speaking rhythm together. Today's lesson is about daily life and simple habits. These are natural sentences you can use every day. Shadowing works best when you repeat the practice, so you may want to save this video and return to it later. If you enjoy this kind of practice, please subscribe to the channel. Now, relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. I wake up early every morning. I turn off my alarm right away. I stretch my body for a minute. I get out of bed slowly. I open the window for fresh air. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth carefully. I look in the mirror and smile. I get dressed for the day. I choose simple and comfortable clothes. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. I drink water before coffee. I prepare a small breakfast. I eat breakfast at the table. I check my phone briefly. I read the news quickly. I plan my day in my head. I clean the dishes after eating. I leave the house on time. I walk to the bus stop. I listen to music while walking. I enjoy the morning air. I wait for the bus patiently. I get on the bus. I find a seat near the window. I watch people outside. I think about my work. I arrive at my destination. I greet my coworkers politely. I start my work calmly. I focus on one task at a time. I take short breaks. I drink water during work. I check my emails. I reply to important messages. I stay organized and relaxed. I learn something new every day. I help others when I can. I finish my work on time. I take a lunch break. I eat a light meal. I talk with my coworkers. I laugh and relax a little. I return to work after lunch. I stay productive in the afternoon. I avoid distractions. I keep my desk clean. I review my tasks. I prepare for the next day. I leave work in the evening. I feel tired but satisfied. I go back home. I stop at a store sometimes. I buy a few things. I arrive home safely. I change into comfortable clothes. I rest for a few minutes. I drink tea or water. I relax my mind. I cook dinner at home. I keep my meals simple. I eat slowly. I enjoy the food. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I watch a short video. I listen to a podcast. I read a few pages of a book. I avoid my phone too much. I spend quiet time alone. I think about my day. I notice what went well. I accept small mistakes. I plan tomorrow lightly. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I set my alarm. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. I take deep breaths. I feel calm and safe. I close my eyes slowly. I relax my body. I clear my thoughts. I feel grateful for today. I let go of stress. I enjoy the silence. I fall asleep naturally. I sleep deeply. I rest my mind. I recover my energy. I wake up ready for a new day.
I start again with confidence. I keep learning every day. I practice English daily. I speak without fear. I improve step by step. I stay consistent. I trust the process. I enjoy learning English. I move forward every day.